Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some news regarding the US stock market, and I hope this news update can help you guys to make a wise and the right decision in the US stock market. Okay, let's just jump right in. So first, we got a news from AMD. Today, US Department of Energy forms a $1 billion supercomputer and AI partnership with AMD according to Reuters. So it seems the Mr. Market seems to be pretty cool about this news. At the time of the recording, the stock only up around 2%. So okay. Next, we got another news from another AI chip company. So Qualcomm announced AI chips to compete with AMD and Nvidia, and comparing to the AMD, Mr. Market seems to be very optimistic about these updates, and at the time of recording, this stock up around 12%. So okay, let's see. According to analyst from Rosenblatt, there is a room for Qualcomm to generate significant AI inference related revenue in the longer term. They reiterate by price point as $225. Personally, I'm not sure if Qualcomm is competitive enough comparing to the AMD and Nvidia. But we'll see if they have something on the cook. And then the updates coming from the Tesla and Elon Musk. The chairman person from Tesla warns that Tesla may lose Elon Musk if shareholders don't approve $1 trillion pay package. So I remember that this upcoming Tesla shareholder meeting will be held on November 6th. I'm guess maybe before that we will be keep getting these headlines over and over again, but I don't think that's a big deal. I think it's kind of a noise, and it seems the Mr. Market also has the same thought as mine. So today Tesla is up around 4%, which is pretty good, and congratulations to all Tesla shareholders. And then we got another big updates about Tesla Robotaxi. So pay attention to this updates, Tesla shareholders. And yesterday, the Tesla Robotaxi, Tesla AI account confirmed that our Bay Area ride-hailing service now goes to San Jose Airport. This introduced precise terminal pickup and drop-off options at San Jose through an updated airline and a terminal picker. So it's a huge, according to my points, because it's actually the first time that a robo taxi or kind of autonomous car can do pickup and a drop off at an airport, and neither Waymo or other autonomous driving car like a Zoox can do that. So Tesla is pretty awesome. Cool. And then we got another news from Google. Google today announced they and Nexera Energy (NEE) as the ticker symbol are teaming up to restart the Dune Anode nuclear plant in Iowa. It will supply power to Google under a 25-year deal and support AI-driven electricity demand. So today Google is doing really good job. It's up around 4%, which is significant. Comparing to maybe past months or so. So, but I'm not sure if is this news that drive this upside. I think it's more personally. I would say it's more like the Google's AI development. It's AI product like Gemini, and it makes investor very optimistic about its AI development, and also comparing to OpenAI. Google is really wins in some of the parts of AI development, so investors feel good about this. Next, we got an update from Amazon. Amazon today announcing it will cut up to 30,000 jobs. What a number! Starting tomorrow as it pushes harder on AI automation and efficiency. So comparing to Google, which is up a lot for the past months, Amazon is actually did a poor job in terms of its stock performance. Today it just flat, and I'm not sure. Maybe in the future, the job cutting may reflect on its revenue or earning reports. So, but in the long run, either the e-commerce, the Amazon Prime sales, or the AWS Amazon Web Service should be continue growing up significantly, and also Amazon also develop its own AI chips. So we will see in the future how Amazon performs. Okay. Then we got another similar news. So Meta, I think in last week, Meta decided to cut around 600 roles in Superintelligence Labs AI unit. I'm not sure because it seems AI for the hirings since Meta is doing something unbelievable. It's like back in the summer, Meta hired lots of AI talents. They poach lots of like research scientists from the OpenAI, and now they decide to cut so many excellent research scientists from its AI unit. So I'm not sure how its strategy in terms of hiring for AI talents. Okay, and also Meta is going to release its Q3 earning report next this Wednesday. So we will see if Meta is still the leading one in the AI. Then we got another update from Mercado Libre. So today Mercado Libre is up around 5 to 6%, and it seems that from the headline it's because of the positive sentiment that the new partnership with the retailer Casa Bahia. But I don't buy that. I think it's mainly because its president Milei, he just won a lot in the election kind of thing. So yeah, but it's a good news and congratulations to Mercado Libre investors. Okay, that's all the news. Then we can share some earning reports starting today. So today we got Confluent, who just released its earning report for the Q3. So it seems like both the revenue and the EPS both beat estimates, so that's double bits. And the Mr. Market are happy about that, so it's up around 10% after market. And but by contrast, the Confluent company isn't give a very positive guidance for the next quarter. But in my opinion, this company is kind of undervalued given this current stock price. So okay, then we got a Cadence who just released its earning report. So we got another double beats for revenue and EPS. But the Samsung Mr. Market is not okay with this. So but it also didn't drop too much after market. Then we got another network or cybersecurity software company, F5. So F5 gave its EPS 4.39 versus estimate and 3.97, so it's a bit. Revenue came out as $800 million, and the mixed market seems not being not positive about this outcome, so it's down around 10% after market. Okay, that's all the news for today. Thank you guys for listening. And if you think this content is helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And I will share daily stock news about the US stock market. Thank you guys. Bye.